Hello, today I'm going to overview how to set up quick actions everywhere inside of your Salesforce instance. First, I'm going to navigate to an account page. Click on Acme, and you'll see in the activities related list, I have this nice little button, Log a Call. If I click on this Log a Call button, you'll see that it takes me to a custom quick action. Spoke with John about collateral. Need to follow up with collateral. I can search for a contact or a lead over here in the left hand section, John Smith. And then I have cancel, which will take me back to the account, save new, which will create another task, or save. I'll hit save. You'll see that it redirected me back to the account. If I refresh the page, you'll see spoke with John about collateral, like I just entered. So how did I set this up? It's super easy. So I created a list, related list button on the task object. It's called log a call. I called it log a call _ account so I could differentiate on which related list it was on. You always have the base apex / quick actions everywhere. You have a question mark to start your parameters. Action, which is log a call. If it's a object specific action, you would preface it with account dot contact dot log a call, etc. What is the related ID that I'm going to reference in this quick action? In this case, the account ID. And what is the related field which I will be entering that related ID in? So the what ID in the case of the task object. Super easy. Let's go through another use case. I have a contact button up here in contacts. Create contact. I'll click on this button and you'll see that it takes me to a flow. I will call it Jeremiah Johnson, jeremiah.johnson@gmail.com, United States, be my country, 1, 2, 3, 4, test, Nebraska, 68135, and I hit next. When I hit next, I can say, where would you like to go? Either to the account or to the contact. So if I click contact, it'll take me to my newly created contact, Jeremiah Johnson. If I select account, it will go to the account. Well, how did I make this button? Super easy. Same base, apex quick actions everywhere. What is the related ID, the account ID? What is the flow developer name? Create _ contact. And the title is create contact. And you can use this to update the title for any of your Visualforce pages. This is kind of important when you have a console view so that it looks a little bit more meaningful to your end users. So how did I create this flow? Just go ahead and open this flow. Nothing too crazy about it. I have a get account input, which receives the record ID variable. It's very important for your record ID variable to select input and output. It is required for all flows that use quick actions everywhere. Then I have my create contact screen, my contact account assignment, so associating the previously made contact with this account. Create contact, which will create the record. The redirect screen, where I present the option of redirecting either to the account or to the contact. And then I have a decision element. This decision element just says, what did I select in the previous screen? Contact. If I chose the contact choice, then I'm going to go to is contact. Otherwise, I will do nothing. The record ID is already set to be the account ID. So once I choose to redirect to a contact, if I click here, I'll just assign the record ID to be the contact ID. And that's how I achieve that functionality. You may not want the screen to say, where do you want to redirect to? You may just want to do that thing based on your particular use case. This is how you achieve that. Next use case. If I go back to my account, I have log a call inline for my account. How did I set this up? Let me go to edit page, log a call, and select my log a call action. Very similar to the button, the list view button, I put in the what ID, I put in the quick action API name, log a call, and then I select the type of quick action. Let me go ahead and go back. And I have a section here called related list. You'll notice this looks very familiar to what we saw a little bit earlier. Spoke with John about collateral. Well, this is a related list component that allows you to have quick actions to do various tasks in a very quick and efficient way. So let's say spoke with John about collateral and spoke with John, and I want to edit the description. Followed up, status completed. And you'll see in the upper right hand corner it says how many records you have to go. Click save. Next one. Completed. Save. And you'll see that the descriptions are updated as well and reflected in the records. So how did I set this up? Let's click over to our app builder, go to related list. Super easy, click on the component, very similar to what we saw earlier. The related field in this case is the what ID, so what records should I get from the account or from the task object. In this case it's the what ID. The API name, task.edit description, what type it is, related list or quick action. In this case we want a related list, and then a comma delimited set of fields that you want to display in this. The good news about this entire package is that it is compatible with Lightning, it's compatible with Classic, and it's compatible with Salesforce Mobile. Let's go ahead and look at another quick use case. Communities. Say you want to embed a quick action in a community. You would do something very similar to what we had earlier. Log a call. You have the type of quick action. You can make it a related list. You can say what particular fields you want. If you hover over here, this is important for communities. You have to set the record ID if you're on a record ID page with the left curly brace, exclamation point, record, capital I, lowercase d, right curly brace. And that will allow for you to do quick actions and retrieve values based off of the record that you're currently on. Now, quick actions everywhere is not currently supported in related list components in communities. I have an ongoing issue with Salesforce about this, and hopefully it will be supported in the future. But that's everything that I have to show about quick actions everywhere. I hope you try it out, and I hope that you love it. Thanks.